Hey y'all, this is Vanity. So I'm back with another video, and as you can see I have on the same thing because I split the video up in two. So if you haven't seen the first video, which was the collective haul of makeup that I just got, definitely go check that out. I have it linked down in the bottom bar, but this portion is going to be what I got from Colourpop. I split up in two because I haven't shot from Colourpop in a while, probably like in a year or so, because they was just coming out with too many collections back to back for me. It was so hard to keep up with, and it was like giving me a headache. They were getting all of my coins, and I don't feel like I don't feel like they was coming out with anything too new. Like everything was like back to back, and it was just like the same color but just a little different. So I seen that they came out with concealers. I still wasn't interested because I wasn't someone who liked to switch up the concealer, because I really like the LA Girl concealer, and I didn't see a point in trying a concealer that costs more than that. You know what I'm saying? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. But this year, like I said, I want to branch out into new products. You know, I might find something better, so that's what I have been doing. I decided I wanted to try the concealer, so I did place an order, and I wound up picking up a few other stuff. I got something free. They had a 40% off, up to 40% off sale, so I didn't pay full price for anything that I'm about to show you. Definitely sign up for when they do sales, or check their Instagram or their Snapchat, because they always post when they're gonna have like sales and stuff like that. So definitely check them out there. But yeah, stay tuned if you'd like to see the things that I got from Colourpop.
Twerk, girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money if you twerk. I don't really think you can twerk. Twerk. If you broke, go to work. Make that big booty twerk. Make that big booty twerk. Can I touch that booty? That booty. That big old booty.
I've been wanting to try this for a long time. So this is their rose quartz, but I thought this was the, I don't know why I thought this was setting spray. This one is the priming spray. So I'm definitely going to try this out soon. But this is the Colourpop Rose Quartz Crystal Priming Spray. There we go. That's what it looks like. And it is really pretty. I see that it has that marble effect there, and it has like the rose gold color in it, and I love that it's pink. Anything pink, rose gold, marble, I'm there. So like I was telling y'all, I basically placed the order with Colourpop because I wanted to try the concealers, and that's how I wound up buying everything else. But I really did my research, and I thought that the concealer for me would be Deep Golden 60, so I bought 3. And I did get it on sale, so I think it was $5. It was like $4.80 if I'm not mistaken. But this is not the color for me. This one is a little bit too deep for me. I do like a lighter highlight, not too light, but I like it to be noticeably different from my actual skin complexion. You know, I want a highlight, I don't want a low light. So I got 3 of these, but this is not my color, so I placed another order, and I got it in the color Deep Tan, and this one is a number 55, and this is the perfect highlighter shade for me, for V, for T. So I got this one, and I absolutely love it. I have it on today. This has to be my favorite concealer ever. Why nobody told me it was this good? Like, this concealer is fucking life. So if you don't have it and you was thinking about going to get it, get it. It is matte, it sets beautifully, it doesn't crease. It is like the most amazing concealer I have ever tried. So I only use this for highlighting. I won't be using this for anything else, but I love this highlighter. Maybe I'll use these for concealing, being that they're matte and they are full coverage. Maybe I'll try to do that. So yeah, I might try to do that, and I'll update y'all on how I feel about that. I did get the brow pencil, the Brow Boss in soft black, and I think this is new packaging. I really don't think my old Colourpop pencil came in this, so this must be new. Yeah, my other pencils actually had a spoolie on the other side, so this must be new. This is called the Brow Boss. So I've never tried this, and again, this is in soft black. I'm about to swatch it right here. I I'm not feeling the way it swatches. I don't like the way it feels, so I probably won't like this as far as for my brows, but I'm still gonna try it out. Another product I didn't even know they had was this. This was the Colourpop Brow Boss Gel, and it's a brow gel to set your eyebrows. And I had no idea that they even launched this. That's how long it's been since I've ordered from them. But I was a little unimpressed by this because this is tiny. This is smaller than the brow gel from e.l.f. So Colourpop, come on, son, y'all could have put more in there. They made it seem like this was big, but look how little this is. It's nothing in this little thing, and then look how little this spoolie is. But I'm gonna give it a try. It looks like it's white. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna try this out and see how I like it. And then I bought a little brush from them. This is, I don't know what, because it doesn't say, but it says 09 on it. So this is their number 9 brush. So I did want to pick up some lippies, but there was one color I've been wanting to try forever, and then the other two were stuff that I already purchased. So the I purchased MASTERPLAN. I also purchased Guess. This is one of my favorite lip gloss. This is one of my favorite liquid lipsticks of all time. It is a deep purple. When I wear this, people definitely think this is the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle in that bluey color, that bluish type of color. I think it's called I cannot think of the name, girl, but y'all know what I'm talking about. But this one is a deep purple. It damn near looks black, so it's like a blackened purple. Okay, and the one I've been wanting to try for a very long time is Cloudscape. So this is the color, and it's like chocolatey. Another product I wanted to try was the Colourpop Supernova Shadow, and this one is in the color Ufwo or Ufwo, I don't know. So that's what it looks like, and I definitely was not impressed when I swatched this. So I don't know what I thought it was, but I thought it was like the Stila. I mean, it is pretty, but I don't know, it just didn't wow me the way I thought it would, but it is very pretty. So that's what it looks like. It's actually way more pigmented than I thought. I'm definitely gonna try this out. So let me know if y'all want me to do like a Colourpop try on haul or a Colourpop makeup tutorial, you know, just testing these new products out. I also ordered 2 new Super Shock Cheeks, and these are basically highlighters. Okay, so I ordered it in the color Hippo. I gravitate toward like rose gold colors, so this is Hippo, and let's swatch it right here. So okay, that wasn't a good swatch. Okay, so Hippo isn't, it's like a pinky purple, and it's very soft. So it's like one of those iridescent pink colors, and I have it all right here. And then I got it in Peer Pressure, and this is what Peer Pressure looks like. And like I said, I love rose gold, and this is the shit right here. So pigmented and beautiful. Now, like, that's like a true pinky rose gold color, and that is a color I will be using like every single day because I'm in love with it. Okay, and last but not least, I bought 3 shadows because I really like their shadows. Even though they're unique, they're really nice. Okay, and they're pigmented. You know, you do have to work a little differently with these, but I really still like these. I enjoy these. So this one is in the color Elixir, and this one is like a brick brown. Swatch it right here, and that's what it looks like. It's like a brick brown, like a brick red. So that's it right there. Definitely, it's like orangey brown. And then I used Dynasty, and then I got Dynasty, which is a very like deep burgundy purple color, like a Bordeaux. So that is it swatched. As you can see, these are really pigmented. I'm just swatch it right here. Like, that's super pigmented. And last but not least, I got the color Sequin. And this is like a rose gold because I'm fucking addicted. Okay, and this is very, very pretty. This is gorgeous. Like, that is fucking gorgeous. And I'm gonna just swatch it right under there. Tell me that ain't beautiful. Like, I'm in love. Okay, y'all, so that was it for my haul. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what kind of video y'all want to see with these products. If you haven't seen part 1, which is a collective haul, I have a lot of high-end in that one, and I have some drugstore. Definitely check that out. I'll have it linked in the bottom bar. Again, I thank y'all so much for watching, and I will speak to my next video. Bye, y'all.